Hi there, welcome to Razor Antim, where I talk about skincare, hair care, and other self-care products. I am an ex-Lush employee, and today I will be giving an honest review of Angels on Bare Skin Face and Body Cleanser. My name is Jonathan, and like I said, today I will be giving an honest review of Angels on Bare Skin Face and Body Cleanser. First, I just want to say I'm not a skincare professional. Yes, I worked at Lush, but no, I am not an esthetician or anything of the sort. I'm just going to give you my own opinion of Lush and their products. Angels on Bare Skin. I spent many a day cutting this roll cleanser up, weighing it, and it was honestly kind of therapeutic for me. So my first impression of this face and body cleanser was like, oh, am I gonna roll almond mud on my face? And like the lavender bits are pretty, but I just think it's a subconscious reminder that these are natural products, but we'll get back to that. Before we jump into ingredients, let's just read what they say on the website. A gently exfoliating cleanser with a light herbal lavender scent that balances both oil and dryness to leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and comfortably clean. I hate the word supple. Like, I get it. I want my skin to be supple, but like, supple. This heavenly blend of cleansing kaolin clay, ground almonds, and a soothing blend of lavender, rose, and chamomile oils has been a customer favorite for years. A quick scrub with this nubbly cleanser, nubbly, okay. A quick scrub with this nubbly cleanser leaves skin calm, balanced, soft, and smooth. And because it's so gentle, anyone can use it. A big question I used to have when I worked at Lush was, how do you even use this face and body cleanser? So to use, you just take a small amount in your hand, I would say about the size of a pea, add a little bit of water, and mix it into a paste. Then massage gently on your skin, cleanse, and rinse. What I would not suggest doing is using your super wet fingers to pull out the pieces from the pot, only because once the water gets into the pot, it kind of can break down the ingredients and just get like real nasty, possibly even moldy. So I would use dry fingers to take it out and then wet your fingers if you're going to use this product, and then massage it into a paste. Just a tip. Now let's talk ingredients. I'm going to highlight 3. The first ingredient I want to highlight is the ground almonds. That's kind of like the major base of this cleanser. The only use for this ingredient is pretty much a physical exfoliant. It's like an alternative to using those little micro beads. I haven't really seen them much anymore after there was like a whole thing about the little plastic micro beads in facial cleansers. This is just a physical exfoliant. There isn't really much of a benefit other than that. I currently prefer something like a chemical exfoliant, only because I find physical exfoliants can be a little too abrasive on the skin, but I will say with this one, the almonds are very very fine, so it's not super harsh on the skin, but I personally prefer a chemical exfoliant. Something like AHAs, BHAs, PHAs, something like that. The next ingredient is kaolin clay. I personally really like this ingredient. It is packed with silica and has a neutral pH. Because it's so mild, it is a decent ingredient to look for in almost all skin types. It really helps extract impurities from your skin and absorb excess oil without over drying it. This is a good ingredient to help soothe sensitive skin, or if your skin is easily irritated, and I will say it does leave your skin feeling nice and soft. The next ingredient I want to talk about is lavender oil. So the use of essential oils in skincare is controversial. So let me just read directly from Lush's website exactly why they chose to use lavender oil in this product in particular. Lavender oil is commonly used to calm the mind, aid restful sleep, and promote relaxation. We use lavender oil in a variety of products to give them a sweet and relaxing scent and a soothing effect on the skin. This oil is also a helpful balancer for the skin and scalp, and is widely used across skincare, hair care, and bath ranges. In my opinion, this is really only used as a fragrance. I don't think when it's formulated with the other natural ingredients that are in here that it's going to do too much, because essential oils, when you're using them in skincare, are kind of iffy. Essential oils have to be used in a specific concentration. There is a shelf life on them like everything else, specifically at Lush, because they don't use too many preservatives. A lot of the times they'll use other ingredients to take the place of a preservative, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I'm just saying when it comes to essential oils on something that you're going to put on your skin. Now, with that being said, It can irritate your skin, but in my opinion, using it in a face wash, you're gonna wash it off. It's not staying on your skin like in a moisturizer or something like that, so I don't think it's that bad. It doesn't bother me too much, especially this smell. I kind of like the smell, and I have used this product. Out of all of the facial cleansers, this was the one that I would usually flock to the most. So there has been research done that some essential oils are good for acne-prone skin, but then there's also scientific research that says that it can be problematic for acne-prone skin. Again, in my opinion, I think the only reason that this oil is used is just to give you like a luxurious relaxation, like making your face washing experience an experience, pretty much just that, rather than just fully cleansing the skin and using the oil for what it is advertised as, if that makes sense. Did that make sense? And again, a lot of people who shop at Lush or who have used this product like that about it. They like the luxurious feeling. They don't mind the oil that's in it. It doesn't irritate their skin. And hey, I mean, like, that's everybody, that's your preference. If that's your thing, that's your thing. But I will say that there isn't much of like a deep cleanse going on here. Though it's claiming that there's like a very deep cleanse. I really don't think there's too much of a deep cleanse going on with the entire formula as it is. But if you are looking to try this product, yeah, in my opinion, I think it is potentially good for all skin types. So if you want to give it a try, give it a try. I also just want to talk about Lush as a company for a second. When I worked there, I truly did love my time working there. This video is not sponsored. I'm just talking about my actual experience. I like the fact that there are recyclable pots. You can bring them back to the shop, and once you have about 5 of them, you can get a free face mask. They send the pots back to the factories where they are chipped down, remelted, and then turned into new pots. Also, when Lush says that 100% of their profits from a certain product goes directly to charity, they actually mean it. I've seen the numbers on the back end, and I think that that's amazing. They fight against animal testing. Everything is 100% vegetarian. They have naked products, so there's no wasteful packaging. Ingredients are ethically sourced, and everything is handmade. The company does so much, and that's what I really like about them. I mean, you can just look at their website. As an employee, we had to learn about all of this as new developments and stories were coming out, as we brought in new charities to support. The company wasn't just doing charity work to say that they were doing charity work. They really care, and they want their employees to care. They want their customers to care too. Even on their website, they're committed to digital accessibility by providing free assistive technology for people with physical disabilities, which I think is amazing. This channel name was actually inspired by a now discontinued Lush product. Whether you're a Lushie or not, or if you think the store smells completely overpowering, you have to hand it to them. They're doing a lot more than so many other companies are doing, and they've been doing it for a really long time now. I'm not on the payroll anymore. I truly mean that. I don't love all of their products, but as a company, I really like them. I admire the stuff that they do, and I hope more companies will follow on a similar path. If you want to hear me answer Reddit questions about my time working at Lush, you can check out this video linked in the description below. So, Angels on Bare Skin. Overall, I like this product. I used it for a long time. I don't think I would use it again. A big issue that I found with it was that the almond would get stuck in my beard, and I would find like later in the day, when I first started using it, later in the day, I would see little almond pieces like deep in my beard, and it just looked kind of nasty. So if you've got smooth skin without a beard, maybe this is something you would like to try, but for me, ever since I've gotten facial hair, I just don't think I can do it anymore. I would get so self-conscious about it. It would take me like almost a full 6 minutes to make sure there was no almond bits in my beard. But if you don't have a beard, maybe it's something you would like. Thank you so much for watching my review of Angels on Bare Skin Face and Body Cleanser. Have you used it before? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Please let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested to know. If you found this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button below to see more reviews from me. Like I said, my name is Jonathan, this is Razor Anthem, and I will see you next time.